Hello everyone. In this video, we will try to explain you about the software Reporting Buddy. The first thing we need to know, what does this do? Reporting Buddy is your financial reporting partner, which helps you to prepare, analyze, review and audit your financial statement. The primary user for this software are chartered accountants or other accounting professionals like commerce graduates, cost accountants or company secretaries who are in the process of preparing, analyzing, reviewing or auditing of the financial statement. So to start with, here we have to enter the basic detail of the company for which the financial statements are prepared and audited. This is a master where you enter the list of significant accounting policies which are to be used and the list of all the additional notes which are going to be used in the financial statement. The next is we have to import the trial balance. This is screen where you can import trial balance, or you can copy and paste the trial balance from taken out from your any accounting system. You can put up adjustment entries. If you want to make a single adjustment entry, you can add here. If you already entered the adjustment entry in Excel, you can copy and paste those adjustment entries as well. Once you have entered your trial balance, you have made your adjustment entries, you get the final trial balance. Once you have your final trial balance, this needs to be mapped to the notes to accounts of the financial statement. So this is the place where you need to map your trial balance ledgers to the notes to accounts. Once you have mapped all your ledgers of the trial balance, you will get a balance sheet. So this is the balance sheet. Then you will get profit and loss account. Here you get the notes to accounts. This is your fixed asset chart. This is your cash flow statement. Here you enter detailed accounting policies. Here you enter your detailed additional notes. We have given templates for most of the additional notes, and these are the screen where you can use additional notes for balance sheet, additional notes for profit and loss, and additional information additional notes. Once you have done everything, you need to go to annual return and print. So you have to select which all items you want to print, and it will print. So here you get the complete set of your financial statements. Then you can prepare your financial balance sheet and profit and loss account as per your ITR 6 also. This is a balance sheet as per ITR 6. This is profit and loss statement as per ITR 6. You can prepare your income statement as per form AOC 4 also. We have given an audit checklist also, where so here you can find audit checklist for each and every item of a balance sheet, and then for profit and loss account, and likewise. And the utilities, you can back up, you can put some settings, you can carry forward to make the file for the next year, you can copy the data, you can lock, you can sign off, and you can so this is the broad overview of the software. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.